Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in to your Etsy account on web browser. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign in to your Etsy account on web browser, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in etsy.com and make a search. You will end up on the official page of Etsy's account. Click on profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. On the next page, enter your email address and tap on continue. Now enter your password associated with your Etsy account and then click on sign in. In case if you want your ID to be signed in next time you log in, tick mark on the box that says stay signed in option. If you don't remember your password, click on the link that says forgot your password option. This is how you can sign in to your Etsy account on web browser quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.